Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well on this Saturday morning. Life is great and I'm feeling fine. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a dilemma that I have. But first, I'm going to stop and say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for sharing my videos, liking my videos, commenting on my videos, and subscribing. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. And if you're watching this video and you're one of those people that have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Let's click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when I upload another video. Now let me tell you about my dilemma, or ask you a question. If you have this same thing going on in your life, have you ever purchased a piece of clothing, or do you have anything in your wardrobe that you're saying that I really just don't like it? Well, I do. And it's this dress that I'm wearing today. I put it on this morning because I had it on yesterday. And when I put it on yesterday, it was because I was going to really just be around the house and I was going to wear it around the house. It's an H&M dress. And to me, I call it one of those granny dresses. It's full. It has a couple of layers. And I purchased it on one of my first trips out of the house during the pandemic. It was my husband and I, along with our granddaughter. And she thought that this dress was so cute and I should get it. There were no dressing rooms open at the time. And so I purchased it. And I've worn it. And I've modeled it in one of my outfit videos. And I really don't like it. So today I'm going to show you all the things that I am going to do to try to wear this dress in order not to waste my money. And I want you to tell me what outfit you think works, or what idea works with this dress today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God. Now, please hang in there with me and watch the video. Gotta go get some different shoes. I am going to be wearing these Cole Haan booties with this dress. I've tried the Doc Martens. And I really don't like it. I wish it had pockets. Alright guys, I didn't even iron this top. I just grabbed it, it's linen, and decided that I would try this look. Tell me what you think of this look.